how to stop spam calls on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to stop spam calls on iPhone. If you are getting spam calls from one number, then go to the phone app. Here, reach the Contacts tab and find the spam caller number. After that, you will find the block option and simply block the contact. If you have a lot of spam calls, then go to the Settings app. Now, scroll down and find the Apps option. Then, tap on it and select Phone app. Scroll down, and you will find the Silent Unknown Caller feature. Tap on it, and it is mostly turned off by default. You can tap on the toggle button to enable this feature. Calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. Incoming calls will continue to do from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. Another way is to go to your carrier, such as the Safari app. Here, you can search for a spam caller. Some carriers may help you protect from spam callers, so you can get help from your carrier to avoid spam callers. Next, you can search for donotcall.gov Canada website. After that, visit the website, and you can register your number here to stop spam calls on your iPhone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.